Page 49. 3. Listening and strategies. Different points of view. A. Listen to the class debate. Answer the questions.
Well, class, I was very pleased with your homework assignments on the question, should petty criminals be jailed or should they be given community service? You had some very interesting views on this subject. Good work. I'll hand out your homework at the end of this class, and you can see your grades then. If you have any questions, please ask me after class. Now, did everyone prepare for today's debate? Remember, you had to consider the question, should the law be changed? Who would like to start the discussion?
I will.
Okay, Sam.
Well, I have pretty strong views about this because this law affects me. Well, it affects all of us here, really. And basically, I don't think the law should be changed. The main reason is that I live on the outskirts of town, about 15 miles from here, and public transportation isn't very regular. So for people like me, well, if the law were changed, then a lot of us wouldn't be able to get to school.
That's a good point, Sam. Chelsea?
Well, I understand what you're saying, Sam, but most young people aren't responsible enough. I mean, statistics show that most accidents are caused by young people. I don't think we should be allowed to take our driving tests until we're at least 20 or 21. That way, more lives would be saved.
Well, you've got a point there, Chelsea. What do you think, Bart?
I agree with Chelsea, I think. But on the other hand, I can see Sam's point of view too. But yeah, I think the law should be changed for two reasons. For one, I've heard the same thing, that a lot of accidents are caused by young people, especially when they're driving with their friends. I think they get distracted by their friends or start to show off or something, and then they get into an accident. And secondly, all those accidents mean increased insurance premiums for young people. I think it would be better for young people to wait until they're a little older before they start driving, and then we wouldn't have to pay so much for our insurance every month.
Yes, but I'm against raising the age limit for one reason alone. It's not fair, to those young people who are responsible. I mean, just because some 16-year-olds are irresponsible, that shouldn't mean that driving is banned for all young people. That's not fair.
That's true.
I have an idea. Maybe young people should be allowed to drive at 16, but they shouldn't be allowed to drive without an adult in the car until they're, say, 20 or something. That way they'd probably be safer when they're learning to drive and become better drivers too. And the law could easily be changed.
Any other ideas? Anyone?